Hey guys, how's it going? Just went and traded this for the Ram that I had, the Dodge Ram that I put all the brakes and stuff on. Gonna walk around this one real quick and let you know what we're gonna do to it. It's a 2003 model, two-wheel drive Tahoe out of Arkansas. Pretty clean overall. It does have some issues. We're gonna have to replace the dash cluster in it. It's all broke, messed up. We're gonna order one off eBay, pop it in there. Does need a windshield. The headliner over there does. It is sagging a little bit. That does need a little repair, but it does have third row. It's actually clean underneath the seats. Yeah, pretty clean anyway. A little more to do, but we'll get it cleaned up. We'll get it cleaned, the outside cleaned up, polished. There's a couple things we got to fix on it. This thing here, I got a big dent over here. We're going to pull this out the best we can with a new paintless dent repair. See how it does. I don't know if it'll do anything over here, but overall this thing's in pretty good shape. Around the front here there is a dent that is pushing the hood up a little bit, making it where it's not sitting straight. So we'll pop that dent out best we can and get this hood back down. Then we'll do something with the grill. I'm not exactly sure. It does need an AC charge. We'll find out where it's leaking at. Here's another dent we got to pull out with the paintless dent repair. So we'll find out what's going on with the AC, see if we need to replace parts or whatever it may be. I just don't want to put some Freon in there and call it good. I want to see what's actually wrong with it. Radio works. Everything works on it except for the cluster, gauge cluster. So that won't be too bad. We'll get it going. We'll go through it, probably do some brakes on it. Has a little brake squeal in the back. Clean the engine up, clean this whole thing up real nice, and I'm gonna try to sell it after that. So we'll see. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for tuning in.